how you can get promo code for your battle bulls. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let us begin. So, the first step is opening up your web browser and going to a site that's called Sportskeeda. After you do that, just search for Sportskeeda Roblox promo codes. And after you do that, you will come up with the promo codes. Just open the first link, and after you do that, you will see the list of games right here. Now, in this list of games, you'll need to search for the game that you want the promo code for, and after you do that, you will see the promo code listed. Make sure that you're not clicking on a spam link. After you do that, I'll show you one for an example. So if I just click on one, if I scroll down for a bit, you will see the promo codes like this. So the promo codes are listed like this. So just search for Battle Bulls and you'll get the promo code for it. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you get the promo codes for Battle Bulls. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.